I'm feeling weirdly targeted by the monologues in my acting class. The first monologue I had was a grandson watching his grandmother wither away due to complications of dementia. The second one was a boy making a list for a family member to give them reasons to keep fighting. And the third one, which is a dialogue, is about an unexpected pregnancy. So, they're 3 for 3. The dialogue is from a play called Phoenix, where Bruce, my character, has had a one-night stand with Sue, the other character, and Sue is now pregnant. Sue is a traveling nurse who's clearly been hurt in the past, but she goes back to, I think, New York to tell Bruce that she's pregnant and she's going to take care of the pregnancy because he had previously thought that he was sterile. Bruce asks where she's going to have the procedure, and when she says Phoenix, he agrees to meet her there, much to her chagrin. After he drives like 3 days to get there, they end up hooking up again, and the dialogue happens in the wee hours of the morning during their pillow talk. The scene is so cute because it's this lonely optimist who's desperate for connection and this lonely pessimist who's terrified of it. Oof, but that next scene is really hard to read.